Just got in this 7-piece rattan outdoor furniture. We're gonna get it opened up, put together, and then we're gonna check it out. You just want to put the nuts and bolts in right here, like you see Miss Emily doing. Make sure you have it sitting up off the ground. Use the box for a work table. Then you just have to hold this up even. Right, this part right here. See how that's moving? Make sure you hold it up there even, so your holes will line up. Be sure don't over tighten it, but get it very snug. Just slide that in right there. Would that go the other way?
No, because this don't have a nut. It screws into there.
So this is threaded.
Yeah.
Once you get it all put together, then we're going to put the feet on it. And these are threaded as well. That one is complete. And that is how you put the chair together. Is it comfortable?
Yeah. You kind of sink down into this.
Okay, now we're going to put the table together. All right, we got the table assembled. Now we're going to put the glass on here. Got little suction cups in all 4 corners. Now we were going to put the end of the couch together. End pieces are basically going to be the same. It's just they're going to have this armrest on them. We assembled the back and the sides together first, and then attach it to the seat. You can make this the full couch, or you can make it like a love seat. And we want it as a love seat. And we just have to put these little clips on there. Just like that. Nothing to it. And that will keep them from separating.